on Swin.
Woman, when we gonna get the money to buy these kids the presents? We can't get no money. We're broke. B-R-O-K-E. Broke. Get this thing out of my way, man. Let these things get peering, man. I was saying, we ain't got no money. We broke. We ain't got no money. We ain't got nothing. I have an idea. Put a piece of bread under the Christmas tree so they had to receive as present. No, that's not a great idea. Wait, I don't know. I know I can work at 7-Eleven. We ain't got no money. We ain't got money, no money at all, man. We ain't got no money at all. But since we gonna get money, these kids might. Those kids gotta. I don't know. Ooh, I know. Catch. Just woman catch. You're not taking my Mrs. Snuggles. I'm gonna tell you that. If you wrap Mr. Snuggles in a Christmas gift one more time, I ain't gonna do nothing to you. I ain't breaking up with you. You're my wife. But we got kids. What are we supposed to do? It's alright, Mrs. Snuggles. Alright about Mrs. Snuggles. Those kids, we ain't got no money. We're broke. How we stay in this house? Well, I know. I know. This is our light bill money. This is our house mortgage money. We ain't getting buy no presents with them. Have this. Have this accident. Have this accident. Woman, we can't get no money. What are we supposed to do? Here, Mrs. Snuggles. Give them a bowling ball pin. They gon' ain't no Christmas gift. I don't know what to say, but we broke. Like I said, B-R-O-K-E. Broke.
Do you ever want a UFC chicken sandwich? And get your fat lazy up and get it before big backs get it.
Woman, we don't have money to buy these kids presents. That grown man, okay, all little kids like it, but the grown man needs to get a job. The grown son needs to get a job. That's our mortgage money. That's our light bill money. We're not spending the money on toys. Like I said. Oh, James Harden. I'm just kidding. But guess what? Look. This will be great. Follow me. Why you walk like something? Why you walk like that? Tell me why you walk like that. Okay, never mind. I'll put this under here. That'd be grateful. Alright. The box is right there. Oh, stop. Open that up. These boxes. Literally. These boxes. Literally for business. I'm sorry. I can't buy them a toy. I forgot. Oh my. What about these plates right here? What about these plates right up in here? No. They're gonna have broken plates. I'm sorry. But we're broke, man. Hold on. Light work. That's light work, woman. You need to learn light work. Like I said, catch. My Mr. Snuggles. Catch my Mr. Snuggles. Mr. Snuggles! Mr. Snuggles! Mr. Snuggles, oh my god. Oh no. You're supposed to catch him, wife. But it's okay. Here you go. Woman, yeah, be careful. Let's be careful. We ain't got no money. Alright, wife. Alright, wife, calm down. Calm down. We're gonna get through this, okay? We'll get through this, okay? Hold your head up and hold hope, okay? And guess what? We'll work together, okay? We'll work together, okay? Calm down. I just need to work at somewhere. I have a perfect idea, wife. Oh my, what was that? Alright? You hurt? Like I was saying. What about this? I go to the store. We look for a job. I'm not going to McDonald's. Try to trick me that. Ha! You're not tricking me. What about this? I go to McDonald's and work there and get some money. That's a great idea. Alright, if I'ma walk out the Antarctica to go to McDonald's, the United States of America, okay? And please take care of my children. Oh, you alright? Oh, you got a fast. Woman, where'd you learn that from? Gymnastic? Babe, it's okay. I'm not going anywhere, alright? I'm gonna have my journey to walk out to Antarctica. Or, I don't know pronounce that, but Antarctica. I will literally protect you and my kids. Wifey, love you. Remember the last dance we did at the prom, okay? See you. I'm getting out. I'm making it out. I'm making it out. I'm making it out. I'm making it out. I promise you. I'll make it out. Promise I'm gonna make it out. Mama, I'm gonna make it out. I'm gonna make it out. Come on, Tyler the Creator. Thank Cornucopia. Oh yes, the United States of America. I hurt my ouch! I hurt my finger. Hi. Oh, they're working. No, 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 no.
How's it going?
Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. I need to work here. Get out. Leave. Leave. I don't. Yeah. Stay like that. It's my job. Can't wait to get some money. I can't get some.
Have you wanted a Greensmith apple? Not to worry. Here's the iPhone Greensmith apple. It costs about $1 trillion. If you don't have one, go work at McDonald's and then get your money right.
Hey man, how you doing? Why are you dressed up as a floony? And bro, I did not, bro. I know you ain't putting no snakes in that hair, bro. You taking this style too serious, bro. Like I was saying, what furnitures you want? Want the TV so you can watch MTV, music television. This is not the 2000s anymore. We're in the 2020s. So take that junk off. You do not look cool in there. You look like a floony who failed college, who failed the DNA test. Looks like, boy, your steak looking like, I don't want to say it, but it looks like the viper's about to bite you in your forehead. Bro, you're a floony. Get out of here, man. You ain't getting no TV up in here. And bro, what are those? Bro got the Five Nights and Freddy's shoes, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. What are those? That's the Five Nights and Freddy's shoes, the off-brand checkers shoes, bro. Go, man, get on here somewhere, boy. Man, go ahead somewhere, man. And bro got the Five Nights and Freddy's, not hard. Look at that shoe, boy. Go ahead somewhere.
Do you really needed some help? Not to worry. Call Mr. Apple Man. This man will literally help solve your problems. It's 808-888-8888. Now call it, dial it.
Alright. It's a crackhead dressed up as Santa Claus. Alright, man. We're done with this jokes, man. Enough with the jokes already. Go ahead somewhere with that. No. No. We're not. No. No. Go ahead with that. We're not. Come on. We do not sell no illegal substance up in here, but you got to go. There's no allow for a crackhead being up in here. If you want to have something, we ain't got no money. Go ahead. You're not the real Santa Claus. Man, get off me, man. Man, grab on me like that. Grabbing me up on like that. You're a crackhead. Off the street. Get out of here, man. Man, go the hell out of here, man. Go to... I'll drag you myself. Jeez, go to sleep. Now stand there. My God. Ain't you stinky too? You really need help. Man, these kids think that's Santa Claus. That's a crackhead Claus. I hate this. I'm gonna start hating this job, bro. I can't take this no more. Okay, another thing of job. Did she litter? We ain't doing this today. We can't be littering.
You fool!
Ow! Woman, what's wrong with you? I just told you can't litter. You can't litter.
Possible.
Impossible. Woman, go in and
I've
trash.
fallen.
Ow,
I've
man.
fallen.
Woman. Woman, shut up. Shut up before you wake up the cops. Stop it, man. You're gonna wake up the cops, man. I'm gonna hug you up to Santa Claus. What is up here today, man? Throw in the trash. If you come up to my store, it's on site. I dare you, come up in here. Alright, you know, mess up my big old time. Didn't you?
Impossible. Oh!
Yeah, keep playing around. Keep playing around. What your milking does head ass, boy? Bro, you literally gonna punch me, bro? Stop playing with me, bro. You better not do that. Jesus. Alright. What in the world? Okay, that's not normal right there. That's not a normal behavior. Let me get my shotgun in case he did do something. Sir, are you okay? It's a crackhead, bro. Yo. So, oh. Sir, you okay? I'm just checking if you're okay. Sir. Yo. Oh, God. Alright. I tell you not to do with me. Tell you not. Why in the world? These crackheads built different, bro. What in the world? I had to deal with two crackheads today. Oh God, this furniture store back there. Where did it go? Bro. Whoa, what was that? What was that? I need to keep this as my protection. The name of the Lord. Oh God. Oh my God. I think I can't take this job no more. That running with the gun. I got you coming. I dare you. Come up in here. Don't you dare mess with me. I'm from Antarctica. I'm Antarctican. What was wrong with you, boy? I done smoked you. Don't be playing with me now. I my shotgun up in here. What was wrong with you, man? Don't be popping up in here now like that. You're supposed to say hello, what's up, boy? You done lost your mind. Let me throw something out. I'm gonna carry the shotgun if something happens. I can't believe she didn't throw this out. Ain't that look? Is that Roxy from Five Nights at Freddy's?
I can help.
You're not helping me. I'm good with my own. I'm good with my own. Stop it. Ha-ha! I'ma blow you up. I'll blow you up. I'll blow you. Get out the way. Oh, God, this thing blow. Oh, my God, this thing blow. Come on. What?
Good.
Ah. Oh. You're not slick. Oh. Ouch! Ouch! My hand! You don't know what I came from. These bots are invincible. What in the sci-fi stuff is this? I got you. Yeah. I knew that was Roxy. I knew that was Roxy. I make sure if she's dead. Dang! Her wig don't fall off. Her wig don't fall off. Dang, some crackhead land up in there. Broken. That's it. It's 4 a.m. Thank God. We need to go. We need to get out of here. I'm leaving. I'm leaving the United States. It's not that good no more. I don't know. I've been through a pit of H word. Oh my God. I need to leave before something catches up for me. Because
I'm injured.
you mad because you're
I'm
losing.
injured.
Say like, I can't snap. Thank you. Thank
Because you
you.
can't snatch block. You can't go up,
Bam!
block the ball, and snatch. You can't do that.
Shut your mouth, that
You
talk.
have to.
Oh, please. Yeah. Yeah. Shut your mouth, that talk. Wah. That you sound like, go ahead somewhere.
Shut up, kid.
Shut up, kid.
You suck, bro.
You losing. Yeah, you're a sore loser. You're a sore loser, bro. Oh my God. Touch the ground. Touch the ground. You want me to touch the ground like a good slave, like you always treat me like us? You're like, go, no.
You're mad.
You can't.
You're mad. No, you mad, bro. Hey, yo, I got a question for y'all. Can you block while playing Discord? Cause this guy's saying this guy. Yeah, exactly. People are agreeing with me. Can you block? Can you block in the Discord? They literally agree with me.
I never said you couldn't snatch. I just said you can't
snatch block. Bro, you can still block. Like, what are you talking about?
If it's above shoulders.
Like it's above shoulders. You was like this. That was above shoulders.
I know.
Above shoulders, right here.
I know it was
Your
above
shoulders right
You
here.
can block
And
it,
I
but you
boom.
can't snatch block.
Snatch block.
When it's above
What are you
shoulders,
talking
cannot
about? I never hear that
Like, you
rule. I never hear that rule, bro. I never hear that rule in my life.